Which of the following is the factorization of x cubed minus 5x squared minus 16x plus 80? There is a hint in this problem, based on the answers, that either 4 or negative 4 will be a 0. Kind of tricky. If you don't understand why, see me before or after school. But tomorrow on the test, I will be a little more specific in regards to that. I will definitely tell you what a possible 0 is. But using my advice right now, 4 or negative 4 is going to be a 0. So I'm going to check 4 first, see what happens here. I will check 4. If I get a 0, I know it works. 1x cubed minus 5x squared minus 16x plus 80. Using some synthetic division here, drop my 1, multiply and add, multiply and add, multiply and add for a 0. So I know 4 is a 0. I put that in a triangle, so I know that's a 0. What my answer is 1x squared, because I started with the cubic. Now I drop the power by 1, minus 1x minus 20. And since I need to find all the possible zeros, I will use the quadratic formula, which I need to memorize this. Negative b, the opposite of b, plus or minus, opposite of b squared, minus 4 times a times c, all the way back. 2a. In this case, a equals 1, b equals negative 1, and c equals negative 20. Opposite of b is 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times c over 2 there. 1 plus or minus the square root of, without a calculator, you'll be able to use a calculator, but I'm going to do it without. Negative 1 squared is 1, minus 4 times 1 is 4, times negative 20 is negative 80.
Would a custodian please contact the main office? Would a custodian please contact the main office?
And since this by 2 times 1, I will do is 2. Notice I have a 1 minus a negative 80. I'm going to keep that as 1 plus positive 80. So underneath there I get 1 plus or minus square root of 81 divided by 2. I have 2 instances here. 1 plus the square root of 81 divided by 2. 1 minus the square root of 81 divided by 2.
Please excuse the
1
interruption at
plus
this time.
the square root of 81 is 9.
Report to the auditorium for their yearbook photo. Junior class council members, please report to the
Square root of 81 is 9. This is 5. This works out to 1. Take away 9 is negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. So my zeros, in conclusion here, 4, 5, and negative 4. 4, 5, and negative 4. Looking at my answers here, 4 makes this group a 0, 5 makes this group a 0, negative 4 makes this group a 0. My answer is A.